Hello bestie, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this soft bread. Very easy to make, so let's jump into it. Here in this bowl, I'm going to be measuring out some flour that I will use to make the bread. Just about 4.5 cups of flour. I'm going to be dropping all the ingredients I will be using in the description box, so please kindly check it out and you'll find all the ingredients I use for the recipe to make this bread. Okay, the ingredients are very easy, very simple to get. Some of them you already have in the kitchen and it's not so expensive to buy, so try to replicate this video that I'm making, alright, and you will not go wrong with it. So after measuring it out in a separate bowl or in the mixer, I'm going to add the warm milk, and the yeast powder. Then some sugar, about 4 teaspoons of sugar. But if you think you want to add more, you can go ahead to add more sugar. Then I will be cracking in 1 egg into the bowl, but you can as well crack in the egg separately in a different bowl just to avoid the shell falling into it. So after that, I will whisk the egg, mix it properly, then I'm going to cover it and set it aside for about 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, then I'm going to be adding in the flour I measured out earlier. So the next thing, I'm going to be mixing the flour. Okay, I'm going to be mixing the dough, all right, with the mixer. If you don't have mixer, there is no problem, nothing to worry. Just knead it with your hand for about 7 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead, put on the mixer and let it continue mixing. Please, just to let you know, I want to tell you that I added 2 tablespoons of butter. I don't know, the video did not show up, something happened towards that side, so please don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter. So when this is ready, I'm going to be bringing it out, okay, from the mixer. Please bestie, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do subscribe, like and share my video to your friends and your loved ones. Thank you. So here is the dough already mixed, very well mixed. So I'm going to be placing it on a surface, okay, a clean plain surface, very clean, and then I'm going to then add it in a bowl, then cover it. Make sure the bowl you already oiled it with some oil or some butter to avoid it sticking on the bowl. So I will cover it and let it sit there to rise. Now you can see it has doubled in size, so I'm going to pop off the air, then go ahead and continue with the dough. So I'm going to be dividing the dough. So I'll divide it into 2. Then the half I will roll it over, okay, form it into a ball and keep it aside. Then the same thing with the other one. So this is what I would do before dividing it again the second time. This very one, I'm going to divide it about into 3 or 4 places. So exactly this size. Then I'm going to go ahead to mold it into round shape. Then after molding it into shape, I'm also going to do the same thing with the second dough ball. Okay, I will also divide it, okay, into 4 or 3 parts. Then I will go ahead and also roll it into small balls like I did to the first one. Then after that, I'm going to set all aside. Then go ahead and then start making the bread. So what I'm doing, I'm rolling out the shape of the bread that I want to make. So watch this video, you will not go wrong on how to make it. After rolling out the dough, the next thing is to fold in the dough into the shape of the bread size or shape I want it to be, just like the way you are seeing it here. So here in this pan, I'm going to be adding in the folded bread dough that I have already rolled over. So I'm going to go ahead to do the same thing with each and every of the ball I have formed. That is the dough ball I made, okay. Yes, so after that, I'm going to put it in the baking pan and leave it there to rise for a couple of minutes, just for about 45 minutes. Or until you see it rise. So I'm going to roll it out, okay, the rest of the dough. Then after rolling it out, I'm going to put it in the baking tray and I will cover it with the rest of the one I have made already, and I will set it aside for it to rest, okay, for about 45 minutes or until it is well risen. Okay, so here it is ready. Can you see how it has rise? Yes, so I will go ahead and pop it into the oven for it to get baked. So here is the bread already baked and looking so good. So I'm going to be melting some butter. I will use the butter to brush on top of the bread just to give it that shining look. So bestie, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, this is the time to subscribe, like and share my video to your friends and to your loved ones, okay? And please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Here is the bread. Can you see how soft it is looking and very good? Hope you will try it out. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.